All right, just a real quick video to show off the bezels that I make for the lightweight bucket seat switches, and more importantly, how to put them on and take them off. I'm going to take it off to start. And I'm going to show that on the side of the switch, there's two little tabs on both sides. One there, one there. Same thing on this side, one there, one there. Those correspond to little slots that are inside the bezel. To put it on, don't just put it on square and shove down on both sides, because that's going to kind of max out the stress on the plastic inside this bezel. Instead, hook two on one side. Make sure you can feel those tabs going into those slots, and then push to that direction. So you push those tabs all the way into the slots and then kind of pull the other side over their tabs. And when you do that, it locks in place, never coming off, and you're good to go. And you do that without stressing out the plastic by just kind of trying to snap it over everything. And if you ever need to take it off, you can do the same thing. You push to one side, kind of pull it off the tabs on the other side. Once you've got the technique down, it's really easy. You can do it in either direction. There's no right side or left side. Just click it on, kind of snap it on like that. So that's that. I hope it helps.